A for air and G for glass. Then if we are writing A mu G, in your book it is written in this way, A mu G, but I am writing in this way. Okay, so A mu G means refractive index of glass with respect to air. Refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay. Another, so 1 mu 2 is equal to, now how will you define refractive index of a medium? So refractive index of a medium is the ratio of sine angle of incidence in the first medium to the sine angle of refraction in the second medium. I repeat, refractive index of a medium is sine angle of incidence in the first medium to the sine angle of what? Refraction in the second medium. Okay, another way also, if it is A mu G, it means what? Sine angle of incidence in air by sine angle of refraction in glass. Is it? Now, the next point we are coming, absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index is nothing, that is refractive index of other optical medium with respect to air or vacuum only. Okay, so absolute refractive index. Say we are writing, say, mu glass or mu G. It means what? The absolute refractive index of glass. It means what? Absolute refractive index of glass means light is traveling from air to glass. Okay, absolute refractive index will say when light is traveling from vacuum or air to the medium. Here medium is what? Glass. Okay, so absolute refractive index is what? The refractive index of glass with respect to air. If you are writing mu water, refractive index of water with respect to air, also known as what? It is absolute refractive index of water. Simply we are writing mu glass or mu G also we can write. This is mu W. Is it? Or say we are writing mu 2. Mu 2 means absolute refractive index of medium 2. It means light is coming from air to the medium 2. Now, as I told, refraction is actually due to the cause of what? Change in the speed of light. Refraction is caused due to change in the speed of light. So therefore, according to the term of speed of light, will define what? The refractive index. Refractive index of a medium is equal to speed of light in vacuum or air divided by speed of light in the medium. The speed of light in air, we are denoting it by c, and the speed of light in the medium we are denoting with v. Is it? So therefore c by v. If it is mu g, say, so then we'll write, or a mu g, say, speed of light in air by speed of light in glass. Is it? Speed of light in air by speed of light in air. Also we can say it is absolute refractive index of glass. Now another way. Say 1 mu 2. Refractive index of 2 with respect to medium 1. So then the speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2. Now again, other way also we can define the refractive index of a medium by using the ratio of speed of lights. The refractive index of a medium can be defined as the ratio of